Check 1, 2. All right. Hey everyone, welcome to Amour Learning, where we provide free, let me increase my mic volume a little bit. That's much better, there we go. All right, so welcome to Amour Learning, where we provide free math tutoring. This is just a brand new channel, and I'm hoping that it grows big because this is exactly where you go to find free math tutoring. All right, just a couple announcements. We did take a freeze on posting more linear statistics videos, simply because we have a little bit of work to do right now on finishing up those lectures, but those lectures will be posted very soon, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, we do free math tutoring every Thursday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, which is literally right now. So if you guys have any math questions at all, this is just the perfect place to ask them. Everyone is welcome, K through 12, college classes, grad school math classes. You want to talk about p-adic analysis, if you want to talk about graph theory, if you want to talk about some combinatorics or some crazy topology, geometry, you name it, and I can probably, well, I'll try to help. So now that being said, this YouTube channel is growing very quickly. I'm very impressed with you guys, but if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel down there and click on the bell so that you get the notifications for when the YouTube live events occur. These YouTube live events are strictly for free math tutoring. There's no, I'm not trying to sell you anything right now. So this is not where, this is not a selling place. I'm not a marketing person. I'm just providing free math tutoring for people. So just come on by, stop by, and ask your math questions. If you have any questions, you post them in the live chat over here on the right side of your screen, and then I'll answer them, every single one. So let's get started. Today it doesn't look like we have any math questions right now, but I do want to remind you guys that if you have any math tests, this is just the place to go. I didn't really have much to say there, so let me give you guys maybe a little brief math lecture so we can go through some math. All right, so what I want to talk about today is actually multiplication. So let me pull up my, I'm doing two things at once. I'm trying to pull up my annotation screen, and I'm trying to also talk to you guys. So let me real quick pull up my annotations, and we're going to talk about multiplication. Now, you probably know how to multiply two numbers. Maybe you know how to do it by paper too. But I'm going to remind you guys what this looks like. So if I have, for example, this is from last Sunday. If I have something like, let me use the color. Let's see what colors we have. Let's use blue. I like blue. So if we have two numbers like 54 times 48, how do we multiply these two numbers? So I'm going to remind you guys, in case you forgot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first multiply 8 times 4. So this is 32. So I carry that 3, and now I do 5 times 8, which is 40, and then I add 3, which is 43. And then I now multiply, I get rid of this 3, ignore it, and I put a 0 here. And then I do 4 times 4, which is 16. I put the 1 here. And then 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 1 is 21. And then we add these two numbers. All right. So the answer is 2,592. Now, I'm going to actually redo this problem, 54 times 48. And I want you guys to, hold on, we have some technical difficulties, so let me address this real quick. All right, hold on. We're going to have to take brief break so that we can figure out what's going on. We have just a little bit of technical difficulties. We'll be right back. All right, everyone. So we fixed the technical difficulties. So yeah. So it turns out we had a little bit of delay on the internet. So that's okay though. No problem. So we're gonna consider this as the beginning of the video. So welcome to Amour Learning. This is free tutoring. This is the place where you come if you have any math questions, and you get free tutoring. There's no charge. There's no I'm not going to try to sell you anything. This is just where you go if you want to find some free tutoring. Now that being said, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we and make sure you also click on that little bell right there. It's hard to see. Yeah, there we go. Right there's a little bell. If you click on the bell, then you get to you get some notifications that let you know, hey, there's a free tutoring session going on right now, so that you can join if you have any math questions. Now, if you guys have any math questions during this free tutoring session, please post your free math those questions in the live chat, and I will respond to them. Last session was Sunday. We do sessions every Sundays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. Eastern time. Last time we were talking about fractions. Today I don't see really any viewers, and for that reason we're probably gonna have to cut this a little bit short. But if you guys have any questions, please post those questions in the live chat over here. I'm actually gonna go to a transition screen because we don't have any questions. And we will maybe address some questions if you guys have any. But for now, I'm just going to go over to a different transition page. You guys can maybe listen to music. And if you guys have any questions, just post them on the live chat, and I will address them right away. So see you guys later. If there are no math questions, then I'll see you guys Sunday, 9 p.m. Eastern time. See you then.